Yeah, I'm gonna start off by with don't let them make us the face of violence, because what I've been seeing a lot is lately we are the face of violence. We're the face that they put in the media, and that's because we don't control any content. We don't have our own media stations, our own news stations, our own broadcasting stations, or anything like that. So they're able to make us the face of violence. So we do see there's a lot of shootings and everything going on, especially here in Denver, Colorado, where we live. There's been a lot of shootings with younger kids. But like Brother Sharif said last week about a lot of these killings in Chicago and things like that, I don't think that that's always us doing that. And so I'm seeing them make us the face of violence.
Dollar Sign Unity Community 2021 if you want to donate on Cash App. Yeah.